Lakes in India, disappearing treasures of our nation. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will explore the lakes of India, how many lakes have disappeared, and why these water bodies are so important for our future. India is a land rich in natural beauty, and lakes are among its most precious gifts. But today, many of these lakes are vanishing at an alarming rate. India has thousands of lakes, both natural and man-made. From the snow-fed lakes of the Himalayas to the volcanic lakes of Maharashtra, from the brackish lakes of Orissa to the freshwater lakes of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, these lakes support millions of people in countless species. However, experts say that India has lost nearly 30% to 40% of its natural lakes and wetlands in the last few decades due to rapid urbanization, pollution, encroachment, and climate change. Let us look at examples from across India to understand how serious this issue is. In Kashmir, iconic lakes like Dal Lake and Vular Lake have shrunk dramatically because of encroachment, waste dumping, and weed growth. Vular, once one of Asia's largest freshwater lakes, has lost almost half of its area. Similarly, Dal Lake is fighting a battle against pollution, sewage inflow, and illegal constructions. Moving to Ladakh, lakes like Pangong Tso and Samoriri are world famous, but increasing tourism and climate change are putting pressure on their delicate ecosystems. In Rajasthan, many traditional desert lakes and water bodies have dried up due to lack of rainfall and poor maintenance. Sambhar Lake, India's largest inland salt lake, is shrinking and facing severe pollution issues, affecting the livelihood of local salt workers and migratory birds. In Punjab and Haryana, many historic ponds and lakes have disappeared as agricultural fields expanded and groundwater extraction increased. Old village lakes that once supported farming communities have now turned into dry lands or waste dumping sites. In Uttar Pradesh, the famous Chilika-like wetlands in parts of the state have been destroyed. In Varanasi and Lucknow, many small lakes that existed 50 to 60 years ago no longer appear on maps due to urban expansion. In the northeast, states like Assam and Manipur have seen major changes. Loktak Lake in Manipur, known for its floating islands, is threatened by pollution and human activities. In Assam, many small wetlands that supported fish and birds have been filled up for construction. In West Bengal, the famous East Kolkata wetlands, which naturally clean city sewage, have been reduced due to illegal land conversions. Kolkata once had many ponds, but a large number have disappeared. In Orissa, the beautiful Chilika Lake, Asia's largest brackish water lagoon, faces threats from siltation, invasive species, and pollution, even though conservation efforts are ongoing. In Maharashtra, lakes around Mumbai and Pune have reduced in size due to encroachment and untreated waste. Lonar Lake, formed by a meteor impact, is experiencing ecological stress from pollution. In Gujarat, many lakes in Ahmedabad have been lost to real estate development. The city once had around 60 natural lakes, but today many of them have vanished. In Karnataka, Bengaluru is a major example. The city once had over 250 lakes, but today only around 80 lakes survive in usable condition. Lakes like Bellandur and Varthud are known worldwide for catching fire due to severe pollution. In Tamil Nadu, cities like Chennai have lost many lakes and ponds over the past decades, which is one major reason for severe water scarcity and flooded streets during heavy rains. Famous lakes like Chembarambakkam are now under enormous strain due to pollution and urban pressure. In Kerala, the scenic backwaters and lakes like Vembanad face threats from waste dumping, plastic pollution, and shrinking water areas. In Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, many historic lakes have disappeared. In Hyderabad, the city once had over 3,000 lakes, but now only a few hundred remain. Major lakes like Hussain Sagar are polluted and struggling to survive. These examples show that lake disappearance is not a local issue, it is a nationwide crisis. Now, why are lakes so important? First, lakes store rainwater and recharge groundwater. Without lakes, droughts become more common and water scarcity increases. Second, lakes control floods. When cities lose lakes, rainwater has nowhere to go, causing major flooding during storms. Third, lakes support biodiversity. They provide habitats for fish, birds, plants, amphibians, insects, and many endangered species. Fourth, lakes cool surrounding areas and reduce urban heat. Without them, cities become hotter and more uncomfortable. Fifth, lakes provide water for drinking, agriculture, fishing, and household use. For thousands of villagers, lakes are their primary water source. Sixth, lakes support tourism, culture, and recreation. They create jobs and promote local economies. Losing lakes means losing life, losing nature, and losing balance. Today, many groups, government bodies, NGOs, students, environment activists, and local communities are working hard to restore India's lakes. But the mission requires everyone's participation. We must stop dumping waste in lakes, protect catchment areas, revive old water channels, plant trees around lakes, and raise awareness. Saving lakes is not optional, it is essential for our survival. Let us stand together to protect India's lakes and preserve these natural treasures for the future. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content.